the people that wanted this 61 to work just got attacked from the underside. And it's crazy because like this pattern right here, it's a pattern that's happened this week many times because it works against the peoples. Because this is happening every day, all of the time. We must understand it. Like 100%, you need to understand this is what's going on right now. You know, this is the #1 pattern of the market right now. And it involves playing dirty with a level that everyone already understands, and that's the 61, getting attacked very heavily in a way that doesn't make people money that understand it the way that they do. The way that they understand it is that when the 61 is met, it's supposed to use the barrier. It is not. That's the funny part. Not from the right side out. We go down to the 127. Today we didn't even make it there, but we get to know that as a fact. You know who else understands that? Somebody else that knows the plan, the creator of the plan. Come up. We hit the 61. We didn't hold it. Came down. Back up. Two tests to make the blue. Came down, even in the form of a W. You can see that the M that it made there, same kind of parameter as the W. Same kind of distance. This is the first two highs. We come back to test it. We dumped off, copy, comes back above line, hits it, and then lifts off the highest point, crashes, raises on a W to hit the blue line. $61. Now what's strange is when I put fibs on this, that's our 61. Here's our 127, 141. Both times they were both inclined on getting us back And that happened all the way over there. Like what? All the way over there? I see it all over the place, but this one wasn't quite the same. But look at how it came back to test the failed 61. Here too. Really effective here. 27, 41. Came right back to the failed. $61. Ooh. Boom. And we're like, yeah, sorry, hopefully the 61 didn't blow your socks off. That's in reverse. And this one, it's like what it is like, all right, okay, we're going. We want the 61 to work here. That means you want it to go down. It fails. You know, where does it fail to? And it dumped right back to the failure point. Unbelievable, really. Like, this is math that people don't understand. They don't find it. I find that very clear. It's worth looking for. And I'll be down, like when they change it, it's like whatever. Find the new thing. That's what I have confidence in. I am confident I will find the new thing. You know, right now it's that. But is that my strategy? To do that only? No. You best believe when it's doing it, I'll understand how I can be a part of it because I understand it. And if I understand it, then I understand where it is in its sequence, whether or not it can be found valuable. And what's funny about it to me is it's all about something that fails for somebody else. 61. Because they have power over humanity's nature to want to use the 61 properly. Because it's crapping all over, essentially. And why would it ever do that if it was human nature? Like I can go back into all the way into the Great Depression. First retracement, 1877. Where was it? First retracement. I think they were aware of that. Where did it lead to? 61 to 60. I think they were aware of that. Their human nature compelled them to trade it back to the 61, and then back to the 61, and then back to the 61. And then from that, they went up to a 188-200. This is in 1902 on the weekly chart. And it came all the way back down to where? The 100. Is it not supposed to do that? So we're saying it started with an S wave. It went from 61 to 61. We go up to the 200 and 188, back down to the B point. It's like America's markets started like that, but those were the analytical parameters that it decided to use when it began in the early the late 1800s. 1870. Yeah, 1877. Like they didn't know about that. It was because of the nature of them that it made them do that. They control the nature of the market. It needs to be considered that nobody would wake up and say, all of a sudden, it's been working for, 200 years and everything. It's time for it to just not work anymore. It's not making me enough money. And I'm like, well, no, somebody decided that everybody doesn't get that anymore. And now today, it's getting absolutely crapped on.